Quick thing, remember to subscribe to the channel. We will definitely appreciate if you guys subscribe and like the videos. Next thing is we have our own wristband and elbow sleeves, knee sleeves and everything coming out pretty soon. We're still working on a few designs and color scheme and all that type of stuff, so stay on the lookout for that. Hopefully you guys will like what we're putting all this effort into. So yeah, man. So of course we're gonna head to the gym and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna just show you guys how I make my pineapple butter bean, and it is a very delicious meal, something that you guys can try. You guys can try it. It is really tasty and it is all alkaline, vegan based. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. See you guys at the gym. Alright, yo, so of course did some warm-up sets, so now we're gonna jump into the workout sets, working sets, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on increasing weight and just try to be as strong as possible, how far our body can go. And remember, I had a back injury, so I have to be very careful on how heavy we go. Basically, we did some wide grip, now we're doing some close grip lat pull down. On the close grip, normally just stick to the heavy set. Whatever heavy set you start out, you finish off the wide grip lat pull down in. That's what you start off with the close grip. You give it a lot more effect on your lats when you do it that way, instead of dropping the weight and going all the way down to a heavier set. You know what I mean? Just keep on doing heavy, go as much as you can, for as much set as you can, of course. So yeah, remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'ma drink this bang, cause no man can bang me. And you know, yeah. video. So we'll finish up now. I did arms yesterday, so just trying to put a little bit more pressure on the bicep, trying to grow this baby up a little bit more. But hope you guys liking the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna head over to the house and we're gonna cook this meal so you guys can see it. So do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to like, subscribe once again, and yeah, see you guys at the house. Alright, welcome back to the house. So right now we're gonna do some pineapple butter beans. So I already prep everything. I have pineapple blender, butter beans. So first thing I'm gonna do, sprinkle some salt. You know, not too much. I put some allspice seasoning. You know. Then I'm gonna put some, a little touch of the island on it. And Charlie, I think about the fuck with them something. Anyway, alright. Then next step, have some ginger, boom. Some pineapple, boom. Boom. Then there we go. Alright. So that's all you need. It's want to be thick and nice. See? We're gonna add some browning, of course. Not too much. Then just gonna mix it up. Make sure it is nice and yummy. Voila. Then just want to take this right here, juice and everything, blend and never do a very magnificent job. That's all we're gonna do. Make sure we have ginger and everything in it. Then just gonna mix it all up, just like that. Alright guys, and this is the finishing touch. Presentation ain't the best. I ain't no master chef, but and we have some dill weed on the top. Go look up dill weed. This food is good. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next video.